today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 tips on how to grow your nails long and strong. But I'm going to save the best one till the end, and I've got a bonus one for you. So make sure you stay through all the way to the end of the video. My name is Nina. I'm a certified personal trainer, and I have a certification in fitness nutrition. So number 5, so we're gonna start and we're gonna go down to 1. Number 1 being the best out of all of them. So number 5 is do not push back your cuticles, and especially do not cut them. If you have some that are a little uneven, you can push them back with your fingernail very, very gently. But if you cut them and if you mess with them too much, that just means you are more apt to get infection under your nails, and definitely do not want that. Number 4, anytime you're cleaning anything, the dishes or cleaning anything, make sure to wear gloves. Otherwise, you're gonna have your nails and the cuticles get dry, and that's what you definitely don't want. Okay, so I covered tips 5 and 4. Number 3, every time you wash your hands, or at least the majority of the time, and we have to wash our hands quite a lot, especially due to COVID, is make sure you put moisturizer on your hands and on your cuticles as much as possible. Put fresh nail polish on your nails every single week, whether it's a color nail polish or it's a clear. It will keep your nails stronger and thicker. What I like to do is I like to put glitter on my nails. I've got a glitter nail polish. It's a healthier nail polish. It's free of 7 of the top chemicals, and I'll put a link to the one that I use below. And what I like about this glitter polish is that it's got a clear coat. It's smooth, so you can't feel it. It doesn't snag on anything, and it stays on my nails longer. I only need to put 1 coat, but if you put 2 or 3, it looks better and shinier. So that will keep your nails stronger. Okay, tip number 5, I saved the best for last. Take a calcium supplement every night after you eat dinner. This will help your nails grow really strong and long, and it also allows my hair to grow really fast as well. It helps my nails grow so fast that I have to trim my nails every 2 weeks. I don't go to a nail salon. I do my nails myself. Some bonus tips. So the other thing that I really recommend is make sure that your nails are smooth. There is no chips, no ridges, otherwise they will snag and tear off. Don't have your nails too pointed. That will also, make your nails more apt to chip and scratch other people. And another thing is to keep your hands out of the sun. That will help prevent age spots. And I think my hands look pretty good for 50. So hopefully you like this video, and let me know. Send me some comments below and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to tap that bell. Otherwise, you won't get notifications whenever I publish a video on YouTube. And I've got some videos here that I thought you might like. So I've got a weight loss video, and I've got another video if you've got a really short torso and you want to make your waist look longer and thinner and smaller. Check out this other one. So I will see you soon.